you love the look of cacti, but not the pokes, the rot, or the gold when they die? Today, I'll show you how to turn artificial cacti into beautiful, heavy ceramic pieces that actually serve a purpose. Anywhere in your home or office, they're gonna look amazing. Welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and let's start with this creative idea. These may look decorative, but they are more than that. By adding weight with white pebbles, these ceramic cactus pots become stable, functional pieces you can use as paper holders, desk organizers, or stylish decor without worrying about sunlight, watering, or pests. For this project, you will need ceramic pots. I'm using these pots I'm recycling from an orchid. It has no holes on the bottom part and also these rubber discs. And also you're going to need artificial cacti. I'm going to list some of the ones I found on Amazon down below this video, and also you will need white decorative pebbles. I'm using these that are special for fish tanks, and just a bit of patience, no soil, no water, no mess, but a lot of glue. Cactus number one, minimal and modern. For the first cactus, I'm going for a clean, modern look. The pebbles don't just look aesthetic, they add weight, making the pot sturdy enough to hold papers or envelope without tipping over. The next one is cactus number two, great for desks and offices. Functional organizer, this second cactus has a different shape, and that's where these really shine. Because there's no soil, you can place them near electronics, books, or documents without worrying about moisture or spills. For cactus number three, it makes me think about any decorative accent anywhere. And this third one is my favorite: simple, elegant, and versatile. You can place it in a bathroom, entryway, shelf, or even a classroom. Real cacti will never survive in those places, but these, they always look perfect and you can have it for a long time. Why artificial cacti instead of real ones? No watering, no root rot, no sun requirements, no sharp spines, and they stay beautiful all year long and more. Decorations should work for you and not stress you out. So, if you enjoy cozy functional decor ideas that actually make life easier, give this video a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments where you will place these cactus pots in your home, your office, or both. In the market, there are many, many artificial plants that you can find in Amazon, and I'm gonna link some of them, my favorite ones, in links down below in the description box of this episode. Just have to click on the link and go straight to those plants. If you make it till the end, leave me a thumbs up and also click and subscribe to my channel here on my picture or here in the icon down below in this corner. Also, if you want to leave me a comment, I will be more than happy to read you. And this idea might also work not only with cacti, but with many, many different plants like bromeliads, like orchids, like a lot of plants. You can go to Michael's, you can go to Amazon. I'm gonna link various of these plants, artificial plants, down below this video. So you just have to click in the link and then go to those plants. And don't miss the following video. I'm gonna post it right here following this episode. Thanks so much for watching, and I see you very soon in my next creative episode. Bye, friends. Bye bye.